It's finally here. Make sure you click down the link below, freshbrownie.com/merch on there. And we're super excited because you guys have been asking for this all the time. So Hector,
look, these are gonna run out very fast. These are limited edition.
Yeah.
So you gotta get yours right now. Go to the description, get it right now for your family, your tia, your mama, whatever you want. Okay. The holidays are coming up, and we made this with love and care.
Yes.
So y'all gonna feel the love in this. You know what I'm saying?
it's nice and squishy.
Exactly.
And also make sure you follow us on Instagram and also on Facebook at Fresh Brownie _ and Fresh Brownie on
Facebook.
Facebook. Yeah,
Exactly.
really simple. So other than that, thank you so much for all the support all these years, and we look forward to having so much more and the much more years to come. Happy holidays and enjoy these squishies.
Yay, yay.
Fresh brownies.